Hello, and welcome to the Eagles Podcast. Here's with me, Romi Nugra. Hello, and welcome to the
Eagles Podcast.
Here's with me, Robi Nugraha, as a co-host.
I'm Aksan Bagus Maulana as the host, and here's our three guests.
My name is Rizky Amali as the first guest.
My name is Faisal Hafiz, the second guest.
My name is Ahmad Husaini as third guest.
And here we're talking about the strawberry generation.
Yup, Strawberry Generation.
I think as a younger generation we should learn more about ourselves, right? And I heard this term about strawberry generation a while ago, you know? You know anything about strawberry generation?
I think Strawberry Generation is the weakest generation than the other generation because they always in the safe zone. Yeah.
Okay. And now
How about you guys?
So, the first thing, where the strawberry generation is come from? Well, strawberry generation is firstly the term is firstly used in Taiwan by Taiwanese people, which they call it. I'm gonna butcher this pronunciation. Xiao Mei Zhu, Xiao Mei Xi Jai. Which is we mean strawberry generation. It is especially targeting the people from 1990s onward who are bruised easily like a strawberry.
Yep.
Weak, yeah. She's weak.
Like weak,
Mentally,
physically.
so weak.
Yes.
That's why they call strawberry.
Yeah. Which mean they cannot withstand social pressure or work hard like their parents.
Can stand a heavy pressure.
What I say can live with an easy life.
Oh yes. Yes.
Want to live with easy way.
easy decision, hard life, easy
When one day if they want something, they must to get it. What they do.
Only one by easy decision and the easy way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I mean.
Is it because our parents?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Well, this is quite interesting story if you talk about the parents because most of the 90s generation onward is very is living an easy life before rather than previous generation. I mean, we have internet,
Yes.
we have TV,
Yes.
we have electricity,
Globally,
We have internet that
We have ice coffee.
everything in our hand.
Yeah.
Everything in our hand.
Yes.
It is so easy now. Now is so easy.
The other case is the term prefer people who are perceived as stubborn. That means very stubborn.
yes.
As you know, some younger generation is very stubborn, especially
Activists.
Well, you can say activist is stubborn people, but sometimes activist is stubborn in a good way, but also sometimes it's not in a very good way. Do you have ever meet someone that who very stubborn?
Fortunately, I don't.
No,
Fortunately, I don't. I never meet one of those.
Me too.
Only maybe see it in social media like that.
Yeah, just on the social media, not in real life is something just rare. For me,
For the host,
how about you?
Nah.
No.
I used to be that.
And then besides that, it also spoiled kids like this day is because how do you call it? A princess, a daddy princess.
Yes, daddy's
Princess.
daddy's son, daddy's daughter.
Yeah.
Sugar daddy? Yeah, like that. Like that.
Like that.
You can say that.
The other term is a selfish, very selfish. Have you ever met someone very selfish? I certainly.
Yes,
Almost every day.
I almost met that kind of person every day.
Well, of course I know. For me, of course I know.
Who?
It's me.
You're alright. You're alright.
Alright, okay.
They are other than selfish, they are also arrogant.
Oh, yes, very, very, very arrogant.
Arrogant.
Only what do I say? Only one something for themselves, not the others.
And also, this is very predominant, especially in road today,
Oh,
Oh, no.
especially the bikers. Oh, I can understand them.
the younger bikers, yes.
Yes.
Are there
Only
any
Caraflo.
research into this?
There is some. We will get to that in a bit. Other thing is sluggish in work, aka they are lazy,
Yeah, very.
very lazy. I mean, if you've been spoiled and you are selfish and arrogant, why not you also being lazy like that? Yes.
Because nowadays application have easy access, yes, like
Yeah.
internet, even food. When you shopping, you can
Yeah,
get
in phone, in our phone,
from their phone.
Yes.
and everything in our hand.
Yeah, so let's talk about the physical. How you say it? About that physical lack of physical exercise. To be
So,
precise.
no. I think the new generation is not like exercise. They're always like sleeping in bed, like scrolling.
Even I think in younger generation they rarely walk, and they prefer to have to go by bike or by car.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the motorbike or something.
And also, other thing that very overshadow is how they eat. How they eat. I mean,
Yeah.
especially in the metropolitan area, which you know is very busy.
Yeah.
Some of them often just drink coffee for their breakfast.
And only eat a slice of bread. That is not enough for a heavy duty work.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
You-
that is a
for
big city.
The combination from the underfilling breakfast and then overfilling lunch, like you go to Padang, McDonald's, Burger King, something like that, KFC.
High on calorie.
High-
low
high
nutrient.
cal-
High calorie junk food like that.
Yeah, it's going to be an effect for their health. One thing that I find in particular is how young generation is, how will you say it, normalize being fat.
Oh
Yes,
yes.
yeah. That is because they eat too much.
Even me as a fat person, I hate
no,
being fat.
Yes. Me
No,
too. Me
man.
too. Me too. I
No,
hate
man.
that. That's why I usually go to gym, but since I take a dorm in here, the gym is very very expensive, so I just rather take a walk.
Yeah. And the thing is, often there is something, how will I say it, interesting finding that I found in social media, which is a young girl in TikTok who just doing a dance like that, and then suddenly her ankle just snapped,
Oh my god.
just broken.
Unfortunately.
It is sparked a controversy by the netizen that say, "Oh, this is what strawberry generation mean."
Weak.
Physically weak,
Mentally.
and mentally weak.
Inside their body, inside their mind. So
You know,
weak.
I think hating ourselves of this topic isn't gonna help us at all to fix this
Yeah,
problem.
we're gonna talk about that. But other than how do you call it, the negative that
Yeah.
strawberry generation
There is a
got,
positive.
there also is positive. Like for example, young generation is really like a challenge.
Yeah.
Yes. Most of them are very ambitious. That's good. That's very good from now generation. Because with ambition, we can get to
Something new.
something new,
Something challenge.
develop a new skill,
Yeah,
something challenging.
Yeah,
maybe
challenging.
become country, like that.
Challenging to something rich, to the new top.
Something
Yeah.
of-
That's the
hopeful.
good. That's the possibility of this generation.
The other thing that is very interesting is they are easily adapting to new technology.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because
I mean, let's face it, we are grow up with a computer, with
Yeah, because
internet is
they born in the
even since the pandemic, we often to use our phones more likely.
more.
and even I don't know last time I write something in whiteboard.
I forget it.
I forgot about
It's been
that.
a while.
It's been a while. Maybe 2 or 3 years. Also, which is very interesting is they are not they are willing to get a work, but not because money.
Why?
I don't know. I think this can be contradicting because this today economy, which is not other than money, and money. It's very contradicting that young generation doesn't want to get paid enough. Well, not paid enough. More like they are willing to get a job as long as they get paid.
Paid, yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
How much the money? As long as they get paid.
As long as they get paid, they will take the job, which is kind of interesting for business mind, but it is not very healthy for.
Mentally and physically, yes.
Yeah. The other thing that can be a positive is they are they are confident,
Very confident.
very confident about their
Opinions.
opinion and so on.
Yes, that's the
Yeah.
positive one because
And-
nowadays generation will speak up if they hate or dislike someone, not like talk from the back.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean,
Talk to the future.
but,
Future.
They're more frontally.
yeah, but that also means something to me because the more this this confidence is actually sparked from social media.
Yes.
When you're not facing the person that you want to talk about. For example, Twitter or better known as X now
Yeah.
is
Rebrand.
Rebranding from Twitter.
yeah.
That is that.
It's have very bold not acquisition opinion statement from the user, but that same user is typically doesn't really speak up when they are in public
Why?
because they're separated by screen.
They
So,
only brave if they're type in the keyboard.
Oh, just
That's why that's why there's a group
Hence-
called Social Justice Warrior.
keyboard warrior. Keyboard warrior. That's only talk in the internet when meet up. They so scared.
You know our most positive attributes. We are very self-aware.
yeah.
Oh yes, we are very aware of. If mostly about our mental health.
Yeah.
But I think I hope it doesn't lead to self-hate or anything like that.
Yes, I hope so.
I hope so. Well, let's talk more thing about the negative now. The negative of strawberry generation is they are usually trapped in their safe zone.
Yeah, like I
Comfort zone.
said that before.
Me too.
Yes, just like before.
I mean,
Yeah, me too. I trap in my safe zone. I can escape with my safe zone. So I try to do something hard to can escape that.
Yes.
That's so
and it is
pressure.
It is very contradicting to the point before, which they are
Yeah.
like challenge.
And ambitious.
They are like challenge. If they know they can do it.
Yeah.
If they cannot do it, they are getting stuck in their comfort zone.
And then give up.
That makes sense.
Give
yes.
up.
Eventually give up.
Yeah, give up.
So and also the next point, they are easily give up.
Yeah.
They, like I said, they will challenge themselves if they know because like Bagas said, this strawberry generation is very self-aware. So especially with their
Mental health.
not mental, they're very self-aware with their their talent.
Oh yes.
They're self-aware. Like for example, there is a lot of how you can TikToker.
Yeah, this
Why
dancing in front of dancing in front of the camera. You
Yeah, because they know it is doesn't really take that many talents. Yet you just need a confidence.
Confidence
Yeah.
and good public speaking skills.
Yeah.
you just dancing or speaking in your phone to all of the people in the world. That is make
much easier.
Yeah,
Yes,
like easier.
exactly. That's the solution.
You have to confident to talk in your phone.
Yes.
And that's also the next point.
Yes, kid.
Because we are very busy with our phone, we are
Agree.
we are lacking on responsibility.
Yes.
We are very lacking responsibility,
Yes, so
especially
I'm-
for our like I said before, like for our mental health and our physical health, we are lack of responsibility of that.
We need responsibility, yes, like our parents.
Nowadays, even because nowadays generation is already in the age of marriage. Some of them want to get married, but do not want to have a child because they don't have to take the responsibility for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Child.
yeah.
Free child like
Yeah, free child.
child free. Yeah.
Child free.
Child
No free child. Yeah. Child free.
Sorry.
Our generation connect responsibility with stress, and actually, the more responsibility we have, the more easier life will be.
Yes, I mean because this is the thing.
Yeah.
Younger generation of the strawberry generation is oftenly overthink about something,
Yes,
which is very predominant if they are in college. Like for example, if you get an assignment which is if you lecturer give you an assignment which is only last for 12 hours
Yes.
and make and need
So
to make,
pressure.
and then to make an essay
Yeah.
which is need to be less than 10% of the turning point, it is very easy to overthink about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even it's not easy to make an essay, and that make us very pressured and stressed.
Yes.
And because of the pressure and stress, they doesn't very self-aware to their surrounding. They're only self-aware to themselves.
Yes.
Which bring us to the next point.
And that's actually correlate to the lack of responsibilities.
Yes. And the next point is doesn't have a realistic goal. What does an unrealistic goal? I mean, for example, strawberry generation is the generate part of it. Want to marry their waifu.
I see.
That's only some part of it.
What I say is no left. No left.
Yes.
There is
And
no
maybe
life.
for the woman, they hallucinate about their boy band group
Yeah.
that they want to marry him or them.
Yes.
They saw imagine in Europe too much.
In Indonesia, they call this term as halu from
Yeah.
hallucination.
Yeah, hallucination. It is
Hallucination.
I think it is something normal.
Yeah.
Some is not normal.
What's funny in Indonesia? Some journalists say that we are one of the most religious country in the world.
But
But
actually,
We are also the most watched for.
Right.
Yes, we know about that.
no,
We know about
but please-
that, but please,
I know.
Not this time. Not this time.
keep this PG, alright? So, what we're talking about then?
But
enough, right?
eh?
I think enough.
No. Let's say talk this briefly about the factor that
How?
the factor that
Why?
make strawberry generation a strawberry generation. Which the first stuff is parent teaching.
Yes.
I think yes.
Because
That-
Especially for the modern age parent, they are very how you say it,
hard to.
not very spoiled their kids. Not
Yes.
like old timer parent which is very
Yeah.
hard to them.
Always calls them
With the
Yes.
Yeah.
with handles.
with something like
Still, I think
if you kept an auntie you like that.
Yeah. I mean that is very major part of the factor that correlate with why strawberry generation becomes strawberry generation. Which this is probably the last conversation is strawberry generation is a Gen Z generation, but
Yeah.
not every Gen Z generation is a strawberry generation.
yes. Because
Same but not same.
same but not the
Yeah,
same.
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 Yes, because
Yes, but actually no.
Even though some of the Gen Z has a strawberry generation, but the other Gen Z is actually very hardworking, responsible, and minding their business and always look around their surroundings.
Like have to face.
No.
Yeah.
I see.
Yes. So basically, some
the conclusion.
Gen Z generation is doesn't. Oh, you see, doesn't.
You listen to people,
doesn't-
kind people.
and doesn't cannot face the hard truth in the real life. But some Gen Z is actually very good at it.
50-50.
Yeah.
50-50.
I see. So, to conclude our conversation,
Yeah.
thanks the last note, right? Okay. So, this is the end of our Ecos podcast, and I'm the host Aksan Bagas Maulana, and
I'm Robin Nugra as the host.
I am Rizky Amali as the first guest,
I'm Faisal Hafiz as the second guest.
I'm Ahmad Hussaini as the third guest.
and
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
for
much.
watching.
Good
like
night.
and
Like,
subscribe.
comment,
Like and comment, don't forget.
Thank you for
Thank
listening
you,
to our
thank you.
podcast.